Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! So for today's video, ABH has launched Lip Stains and apparently a translucent setting powder. I don't know if this is the original translucent setting powder that came in the box, in the powders box the first time, but I have a small version right now. So I'm going to try this out and see if it's translucent as in no color powder. I doubt that it's no color powder though. But the reason why you're here, Lip Stains from ABH. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch all the lip stains and we're going to see what they're all about. So if you want to see what these lip stains look like on me and what exactly lip stains are, then keep on watching. I feel like this is not a no color powder. I feel like the word translucent is being used quite loosely. A loosely used translucent word in a loose setting powder. I'm gonna try it out though. So it doesn't look like I'll be able to use this powder. This is the original powder that came when the powders were launched. I think they just made a mini version of it. So hopefully I can ask them to send me the golden orange. That's the shade that I've been using to bake my under eyes lately. So hopefully I can get that in. But that's golden orange. ABH, if you happen to be watching this. Okay, so I'm going to mattify my face and I'm using the Urban Decay Allnighter Loose Allnighter Setting Powder. I did a video on this. This powder is very, very, very matte. So it's a perfect powder to use for, to get rid of oils on my face. And it actually stays matte for a while. Let's go ahead and jump into lip stains, okay? According to the ABH website, it says that ABH Lip Stain delivers smooth, waterproof color with amazing, comfortable wear for luxurious, kissable lips. Its innovative formula goes on as light as water and feels like you're wearing nothing at all, yet delivers a lush pigment that stays all day without drying out lips. Glides on in a single swipe. Indulge in this incredibly long-lasting, weightless lip stain with some serious staying power. Okay guys, so this is the packaging on the lip stains. It's very sleek. It looks very small. Okay, but the colors are very gorgeous and the packaging, once again, simple, classy ABH type lip bottle, except these are opaque all the way through. Instead of showing the colors on the bottom of it, they're just the same solid color all the way through. Okay, and it has Anastasia Beverly Hills written on it, and it says Lip Stain, and it has the name of it on the bottom of the bottle. Serious staying power is gonna be like the theme for this video. I'm gonna actually swatch all of them, okay, and then I'm gonna keep the one I like the most on my lips for a few hours. I'm gonna drink something, I'm gonna eat something, I'm gonna edit some videos, and then we're gonna see what exactly or how long the lip stains actually will stay on my lips. I don't want to do an all day long thing because that means I have to keep it on my lips all day. But I will keep it on as long as possible. I'll probably keep it all the way through till dinner time and we can see exactly what it is all about. So let's go ahead and jump into these colors, okay? I think I'm going to swatch it on my hands for you first, and I'm going to swatch it on my lips. Okay guys, I went ahead and I swatched this on my hands and I got on my shirt. I swatched it on my hand, but it really doesn't look much like anything to me. But from the top, this is the shade Hot Pink, Black Cherry, Orchid, Rosewood, Gray Mauve, Dusty Rose. Okay, and this is what they look like swatched on the back of my hand. Once again, I feel like they don't look much like anything. Looking at it, I feel like I want to keep this shade last on my lips. Rosewood. I like what rosewood looks like on the outside at least. So first I'm going to go in with Dusty Rose. Wish me luck. Oh, cooling feeling to it. It's like a cool sensation on it. It doesn't feel like a gloss or anything. It definitely only colors it definitely only colors my bottom lip, because that's the part that's the lightest and you can see the color even more over there. But as far as my top lip goes, it definitely feels like nothing. It has a cooling effect to it, and from what I understand, it's supposed to make your lips look like whatever color it is that you're putting on without it being like an opaque lipstick. So actually, I'm going to put a lip balm over it, which is like a very thick lip mask. Let me see how it looks with something else over it. This color makes my lips look bruised. Maybe that's what the color is supposed to look like. But it definitely makes my lips look bruised. And this is Dusty Rose. It's cute. I mean, it's very cute, especially with the gloss on it. I don't think I would wear this shade by itself, at least from like my first experience with lip stains. I feel like I'm gonna have to put something else over it. Okay, so now I have gray mauve on. Gray mauve kind of matches the top parts of my eye, but from me trying to wipe the first one off my lips, this does not come off that easily, even if you're using a makeup remover. So I don't know. I might have to use oil to remove this. Probably will not come off that easily either. But this one is gray mauve. Okay, so it has I like how it looks like on the top part of my lips. I don't like how it looks on the bottom, because the color took very well over here, but over here it's like not covering that well. And I don't think it's gonna wipe off that easily. I mean, lip stain, duh. Okay, you guys, yes, this is a lip stain. No. Let me put a little bit of oil on it and see. Okay, guys, so this is Rosewood. My lips will just progressively get more red as I go, because the rest of them are very red-based colors. So, yeah, so this is what Rosewood looks like on. Once again, I like the idea of lip stains. I've never actually tried a lip stain. I've heard about them, but I've never actually tried it. So this is interesting for me. It does give your lip like a certain color to it. It's supposed to like not come off that easily, right? So will it come off at the end of the day? If you use this continuously, does your lips become a little bit more stained, you know? And I really like what it looks like with gloss over it. I like what it looks like with gloss over it, for sure. I don't like it by itself, because by itself it just looks off to me. And I also feel like the gloss is making it easier for me to remove whatever I can off of it. Because also, before we go any further, I'm actually wearing the new style of Bonds of Beauty lashes. I'm so excited. So you guys had asked me for some natural, I can't stop looking at myself, okay? You guys had asked me for some natural looking lashes, and you know, you've seen some of the styles that I was working on. I just never told you exactly that was what I was working on. But I finalized 4 styles and they came in today. This is what one of them looks like. I really, really like what it looks like. It looks good. Okay, it just does. So I will have the links down below if you want to check them out. If you just want to look at it, you know, you just want to see what Bonds of Beauty got going on. The links will be down below in the description box so you can see it. But this is the style Give Them, okay? This is cute. Our next shade is Orchid. So I realized that as soon as I was able to get rid of my chapped lip skin, whatever it is, the chapped lips thing on my lips, the color looks more even instead of it being like stuck in one area. So if your lips are not exfoliated, you're definitely gonna get those dark spots on your lips. I didn't know that, but now I know, okay? Also, the lip stains have a slight fragrance to them. It's not like, I mean, you can definitely smell it's there, and this is what it looks like. It's your choice, but for me, I'll definitely be putting lip balm over or lip gloss. This lip balm is the Summer Friday lip butter balm. I really like it because it's not a gloss, so it stays in place. It's very thick too. I definitely like my lip stains shiny. Okay, so if I'm gonna use a lip stain, I'm also gonna carry a clear gloss with me. Who stains your lips without telling you? Like, anyway, this one is the shade Hot Pink. Oh, the hot pink looks very red on me. Okay. It looks very different on the back of my hand than it does on my lips though, so. I like this. It looks good. I've been liking a lot of red shades on me lately. Have you noticed that? The last 3 shades that I kept last because I knew they were gonna stain have some serious staining power. Wow. Poof. Yeah, my lips are done. I don't even think I can swatch the last one. Oh my god. Okay, I'll just keep this one on because this is darker. I mean, I'm just amazed at how it's still kind of showing up. But, and every one of them have that cool feeling. When you put it on, it has like a slight slip to it. Feel like anything, just like they said. And it's slightly tacky. I'm gonna let it dry completely so I can see if it still stays tacky or not. But this is gonna be the shade I keep on my lips for the next few hours so we can see what they're all about, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it alone, but I'm gonna keep this on a few hours and see what it do. Okay, I'll see you guys in, let's say 3 hours so we can see what it does. It's now 11 because I finished my lips at 4 something. It's still here. The problem with this is that the taste is so bad, okay? It's not like something sweet or anything. So I feel like once you apply it and it dries, you're gonna have to wipe your lips so you're not tasting that bitter. That taste was not it, okay? But the stain is still there. And I feel like after swatching all of them, that's what's making it, I guess, stay even more, if that makes any sense. Next time I do use it, I'm gonna put gloss on it. And of course, now that my lips are not chapped anymore, it doesn't look so, but that's it. So yeah, if you're someone who knows how to use lip stains and you want to try it, definitely try this out. You have to make sure your lips are exfoliated thoroughly because if not, it's not gonna look good, okay? I'll see you guys in my next lip swatch. Bye. Yeah, it doesn't transfer.